Hello everyone, thank you for so much of love for our last video and on your feedback, on your responses, we are continuing that part and now we will be talking about why we said in the last video that we are 97% plastic free and not 100%. We will be showing you how packaging is done in Pahadi Zaiga in the later part of the video. But before that, let's talk about the pros of being an e-commerce which is plastic free. The first and foremost pro is that it gives us inner peace. The second is we all know that plastic comes with no expiry date and it's nature's law, everything should have a expiry date. Sustainability is another factor which is our focus area, and we don't want this venture to be sustainable to us, but we want it sustainable to the society, and that's why we are trying to make it 100% plastic free.
So Shubham talked about all the pros of being plastic free. Now I'm gonna talk about why we are uh, restricted at 97%. So these are the products that we have. Some of the products are packed in jute bags. Some of the products are packed in glass jars and glass bottles. Right. So this is the jute bag that we are using. This is 100% plastic free. And this is the glass jar that we are using. This is also 100% plastic free. Now when we pack this, let's say we have packed walnut in this, right? So the branding here is made of plastic. So this makes this whenever you are ordering something which comes in this glass jars, this branding is made of plastic. So that makes some plastic in this, and the cap label, this is also made of plastic. When it comes to jute bags, the branding is made of paper. All the information that we are providing about the product is made of paper. So whichever product is coming in jute bag, that is 100% plastic free. Up till now, we are 100% plastic free. We can say, let's say we are using some plastic in this for branding. Now what we do, we pack this. Let's say I have taken this smallest box that we have. We have bigger boxes also. So these are made of cardboards. So this is also biodegradable. So we are plastic free there. Let's say I pack this. Okay. We do not put anything else in this. We just pack it, keep it here. Again, this is 100% plastic free now. Now what we do? We use this fragile stamp or this side up so that our customer know from which side they have to open the box. So let's say we use this here. Okay, now this is also made of paper, right? So again, 100% plastic free. Nothing has been used here. Let's now come back to glass bottles or glass jars. Let's say I have taken this glass jar. What we do? We put it inside. We use these boji, which we talked about in our last video. So now the wrapping around it is also made of paper. This is paper tape. There it is, the paper tape. So what we do? We put a lot of stuffing inside this so that our product is protected from breakage and all that. So we do that. Now this makes things or packaging little heavier. Now this is again kind of, you can say, 100% plastic free if we don't talk about the labeling, but let's say that is made of plastic, so let's say that's plastic. Now at this point of time we are 100% plastic free in case of jute bag, and in this case we are using branding made of plastic, right? So you must be wondering where are we using our plastic, because packaging is almost ready. So here's one thing. Earlier we tried to use paper tape to wrap this, right? What we used to do, we wrap this thing, but two of our customers received our packaging kind of, the glass jar was broken and it was not in a good condition. So why? Because the adhesiveness of this is not good. This breaks, it easily breaks. So what we did, we were thinking about other solutions, but because we didn't find any, so we started using this monster now. This is the point where plastic comes in, right, in our packaging. Now we are using plastic tapes. This is made of plastic. Why? Because the adhesiveness of this is very good. You know, it is right now it is helping us. Right now it is helping us, you know, send all the packaging in a good condition. It is reaching safely to our customer. So this is the plastic that we are using right now, right? We don't have any other solution up till now. This is the only plastic that we are using now. So if any of you who are watching this video, if you have any solution, we are happy to listen to your solutions. Give your feedbacks. You know, if we find something which is very interesting and we can use it, we will surely use it. We really want to be 100% plastic free e-commerce venture.
Now let's talk about the cons of being a plastic free e-commerce. There are no as such cons, but it definitely hits our margin. I'll give you a simple example. Let's say right now we are using glass jars, right? Instead of glass jars, if we have used plastic jars, then the cost of that jar will be very less comparing to this one. Another thing, the weight of jars matter because it eventually adds to the courier weight, which eventually adds to the cost. So this is where our margins are going down. Another thing, we can use plastic bags instead of using jute bags. The manufacturing cost of a jute bag is very high compared to a plastic bag. But we are committed that we want to make this venture plastic free. We really feel this thing coming from Himalayas that we don't want more plastic in our Himalayan region and in our cities. So this was all about how packaging is done in Pahadi Zaika, and this is where we are facing problem. And but we are proudly, we can say we are 97% plastic free e-commerce. And now coming to the last point of the video, guys, please help us out. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Please like, share and comment. Let us grow. Let us grow organically.